Coming to you from the Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Studio, this is Next Weather.
Make it snow, make it snow, make it snow. Fire up the snow guns because this brief, bitter blast is perfect snow-making weather in the Poconos. Blue Mountain and Camelback both turned on their snow machines for the first time this season. Blue Mountain hopes to open on Black Friday, and opening day at Camelback is tentatively scheduled for December 12th. Bill, it's going to be another chilly night in the mountains and all across the region, huh?
Oh, yeah. They're going to be able to make snow. And you know your friendly meteorologist here has his own snowmaking machine.
Oh, yeah. I remember you mentioned that last season.
I did. I put it on my social media feed. Bill Kelly Weather, by the way, if you want to connect.
Can you put some cherry flavoring on that and bring me a snow cone?
Yeah. Get a little, what do we call that? I forget what we call it. But, yeah, we do make those with the snow, for sure, with the girls. It's good. You get the snow, and then you put your flavoring on it, like it's a flavor ice type thing, but we call it something different. All right, so next few hours, we're going to stay on weather alert because of the gusty winds that are out there. Good evening to all of you. Wind chills in the 20s and 30s. We are not on weather alert for the overnight hours because those winds are going to relax. It will be chilly. We'll be down in the mid to low 30s, but that will be a touch warmer than this morning when we drop down into the freezing territory for everybody. 32 officially in Philadelphia, the first freeze officially of the season, right on target. Today is the average first occurrence over the last 30 years. Wednesday, tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy, much warmer with temperatures into the 50s. I wouldn't call it a warm day, but warmer. Now, our feels like temperature, if you're heading out this evening, look, the Poconos at 17 degrees right now, Millville at 31. We have a 34-degree reading here in Philadelphia, and these feels like temperatures are going to drop, but not dramatically because the winds are going to calm as the temperature drops and then the winds start to regulate out. The temperatures will hang in this 29 to 30 degree range, essentially, whether it feels like temperature or actual air temperature. In fact, let me do this. Let me open up the door to the Hyundai Next Weather Sphere. We got clear skies now. I'm going to put our map up and show you what you can expect out the door tomorrow morning in terms of the actual air temperature. We're going to go 36 in Philly, so a little bit warmer than it was this morning. Lehigh Valley, Allentown, Bethlehem down to 32. We'll go 34 here in South Jersey around Pemberton, and then shore locations up and down hanging out in the mid-30s. Now tomorrow, I said much warmer. Here's what we are forecasting for your day tomorrow. Back up into the mid-50s, just a little bit below normal when it's said and done. Upper 50s where we should be. We'll go 55 here in Philly, up and down 95. From Wilmington over to Trenton, say a little bit cooler at 53. 50 in Allentown, and then we're going to go into the 40s for Mount Pocono. So they'll be able to make some snow in the morning hours. However, we have a string of some warmer days, so there will be some of that snow that melts, but they like to do that, of course, so they can get the nice little base on the ground there. So let's take our story forward. Tomorrow is going to be a breezy day, but not necessarily a windy day. Today we had wind gusts 45 miles per hour or more. Tomorrow we're looking at 20 to 30, and like today, 9 to 10 a.m. through about 2 to 3 p.m. That is our windiest time period, and then the winds will calm down as we get on into the evening tomorrow. So your regional forecast, we'll say mid-50s here in the city, 56 down the shore, Lehigh Valley, 50 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. It will be a partly to mostly cloudy sky throughout the day, and it's, like I said, going to be breezy, so if you work outside, it will be on the cool side. We're Next Weather. We're always looking ahead to your next weather maker, so let's break that down for you and what we are seeing and what you can expect. Actually moved it from yesterday. Okay, we're always tracking the models for you, showing you what things are going to change. Next weather maker looks to be Sunday. Doesn't look like it's going to be any kind of massive system right now, but we are expecting rain and warmer conditions on Sunday. So between now and then, temperatures, high temperatures are staying into the mid to upper 50s, about normal, about seasonable, mix of sun and clouds each day. Good dry days to get out and clean up your yard, wash your car if you want, that type of thing. But we are tracking yet another cold front, so we get some rain coming in potentially on Sunday, dry it out briefly under mostly cloudy skies Monday, and then another pretty significant cool down as we get into Tuesday of next week with another chance of showers then. So we're watching it for you. We'll keep you updated. You are watching CBS News Philadelphia. Thank you for that. We'll be right back.